How do I enable call blocking on WhatsApp?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common question. How do you enable call blocking on WhatsApp? This feature can be particularly useful if you wish to avoid unnecessary or disturbing calls from specific contacts. Don't worry, it's a simple and straightforward process that we're going to walk through together.
What is call blocking?
Before we jump into the steps, let's understand what call blocking is. In essence, call blocking on WhatsApp allows you to stop receiving calls from a particular contact. This does not remove the contact from your list, nor does it stop them from sending you messages. It simply means you won't be interrupted by their calls.
How to access WhatsApp settings?
The first step in this process is to navigate to your WhatsApp settings. Here's how. 1. Open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. 2. Tap on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of your screen. 3. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings.
How to block a contact?
Once you're in your settings, the next step is to block the contact. Follow these steps. 1. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. 2. Next, select Privacy. 3. Scroll down until you find the Blocked Contacts option and tap on it. 4. Here, you can add contacts to your blocked list by tapping on the Add icon, usually a plus symbol or a person icon with a plus sign, on the upper right corner of your screen. 5. You'll see a list of your contacts. Simply select the one you wish to block calls from. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable call blocking on WhatsApp. Remember, this feature is very helpful for maintaining your peace of mind and reducing interruptions from unwanted calls. Should you decide later that you want to unblock this contact and allow calls again, you can simply return to the Blocked Contacts list and remove them from it. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks.